Alright guys, current time 1:34 a.m. Within the last couple of hours, had one DoorDash, one Grubhub. It's -10 with the wind right now. -10 at the moment. There was one DoorDash order that was $2 per mile, but some Dash already picked it up. So now Grubhub and DoorDash don't pay you if somebody already picked it up. I don't know. I'm not sure about Uber Eats. And yeah, I'll go to at least 3 a.m. tonight. At least 3 a.m. I slept like for 10 hours today. Drink some NyQuil and I slept for 10 hours, so I'm good to go. I didn't start my day till like 8 p.m. So another graveyard shift. Let's go. On the way to pick up a Grubhub right now. Alrighty, just pick up the Grubhub from McDonald's, and I don't know if I said this 1 minute ago, but yeah, there's some good blocks with Amazon Flex, but it's not worth it, man. It's fucking -10. $60 per hour, I'll do it, but 35, 40, not worth it. Yeah. $60 per hour for 3 hours, I'll do it. Yeah. But on days like these, you want to stay in your car as much as possible, man. You want to be in your car.
Turn right onto West Colfax Avenue.
So on days like these, yeah, it's best to do Uber X and Lyft. Food delivery is not too crazy. Yeah, you just get out of the car to drop the food at the front door. Most orders are drive-throughs after 9 p.m. So, yeah. But on days like these, yeah. Package -10, it's gotta be at least $60 per hour, man. But it's all good. That's why you multi-app and cherry pick, right? Multi-app and cherry pick. All right, let's go. Downtown Denver, fam. Downtown Denver. So tonight, I started early, like before the college football championship game. It probably was busy, but yeah. MLK Day on a Monday night, and it's really cold, so yeah, I got some orders, but it's not too busy. All right, got another order, barely $1 per mile. So once again, it's fucking dead, so I take it, $1 per mile. And
at the light, turn left.
for now, I'm doing gig as a side hustle, you know, yeah, not full time. So when it's dead, I'll take it. Yeah, doing gig for some extra money at the moment. Alright guys, just dropped out the last order. On the way to pick up another order, $1 per mile, Taco Bell. $1 per mile, Taco Bell. Let's go. Yeah guys, I'm gonna keep this video short. So yes, tonight I've been on for like 5 hours and made like 100. Only drove 82 miles, so yeah. No, that's not good, but it's more than $1 per mile. $5, roughly 5 hours, roughly made 100 and drove 82. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll be putting in another hour or so. I'll see you guys on the next one, huh? If you enjoy the content, smash a like, subscribe. Most importantly, go back to the YouTube app and turn on all notifications. I'm out, guys. See you guys on the next one. Peace.